Hi there, in this course I will guide you step by step from the very basics to launching your own fully functional WordPress website. So why WordPress? WordPress is one of the most popular platforms in the world. It powers over 43% of websites globally because it's free, easy to use, and extremely powerful. Whether you want to create a personal blog, a business website, an online store, or a portfolio, WordPress can do it all without any coding skills. So in this course, we will cover everything you need to know. Let me give you a quick overview of the topics we will cover. First, we will buy domain and hosting and install WordPress. Then we will start with the WordPress dashboard complete overview. I will show you how to use the dashboard, where everything is, and how to control your entire website from there. Then we will talk about the difference between the website and the dashboard, the front end and the back end. After that, I will teach you how to change or install a new theme to give your website a fresh and professional look. Next, we will learn how to customize your site, like adding a logo, changing colors, fonts, and layout to make your website look unique. I will also show you how to create menus and a navigation bar so your visitors can easily explore your site. We will cover how to use widgets to customize your sidebar and footer. Then you will learn how to create essential pages like home, about, and contact us page. I will show you how to create a blog post and organize them into categories to keep your content structured. You will also learn how to set a basic home page and a separate blog page. We will talk about installing and using plugins which help you add more features to your website without any coding. I will teach you how to add a contact form so your visitors can easily reach out to you. You will learn how to manage comments, approve or block them, and avoid spam. I will explain how to add and manage users and the meaning of different user rules in the WordPress. We will also look at the WordPress settings, how to configure the general, reading, and permalink settings. I will guide you through how to back up your website for free using a simple plugin so your hard work is always safe. We will talk about basic security setup to keep your website protected from hackers. I will give you a final checklist to help you launch your website confidently. After your website is live, we will also cover some optional topics to help you grow. Basic SEO setup to help your site appear in Google search results, connecting Google Analytics and Search Console to track your visitors and website performance, and finally, how to improve your website speed to make sure your site loads fast. By the end of this course, you will have a complete, beautiful, and functional WordPress website and the confidence to manage it all by yourself. So get ready, stay with me till the end, and let's start building your WordPress website together. Hi there, in this class I will teach you how to buy hosting and domain from hostinger.com and how to install WordPress. If you use my special link, you will get an exclusive 20% discount on your purchase. As soon as you open hostinger.com, scroll down to see the different hosting plans like Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. The best part is that you will get a free domain with any of these plans. I highly recommend choosing the business plan. It is the most popular and perfect for long-term use. When selecting your plan, choose 48 months to get the lowest price compared to 12 and 24 months. Click continue, enter your Gmail and create a strong password and click on register. Next, fill your billing details. First name, last name, country, phone number, address, city, province, and zip code. After that, click continue and choose your preferred payment method. Card, PayPal, Google Pay, or if you are using a card, enter your name, 16-digit card number, expiry date, and CVV number. Click submit payment. Enter the OTP sent to your phone number and you will be logged into your Hostinger account. If not, you can manually log in. Now we will claim your free domain and install WordPress. Go to the website section and click add website.
Here you need to select WordPress option. After that you have to add some basic details. Here you will see two options, create a website and migrate a website. You need to select create a website and then click next. Now here you will see two options, WordPress and hosting a website builder. Select WordPress and click on next.
Select your preferred language, enter your Gmail address, and create a strong password for your WordPress admin panel. Click Next and select Create a blank site. Don't choose AI or pre-built websites. Now it's time to claim your free domain. Type your desired domain name here. If it is available, you will see a green free domain label. Click to select it and then click install WordPress. Within seconds, WordPress will be installed on your domain and you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. In the next videos, I will explain each option inside the WordPress dashboard step by step in simple language so you will understand everything clearly. Stay connected and inshallah you will master it easily. Hi there, in this class I am going to give you a complete overview of the WordPress dashboard in a simple and beginner friendly way. If you are new to WordPress, don't worry, I will explain everything step by step so you can easily understand how it works. First of all, what is front end and the back end? In WordPress there are two sides. The front end is what people see when they visit your website. For example, your home page, blog posts, or contact page. That is the front end. The back end is where you manage your website. This is also called the WordPress dashboard. Here you can create posts, pages, change the design, install plugin, and much more. Now let's take a look at the WordPress dashboard. When you log into your WordPress website, this is the first screen you see. Let's quickly go through the main options on the left hand side. The first option is dashboard. Here you can see how many posts, pages and comments you have. You can write a quick draft. It's just for saving post ideas. And you can see the latest WordPress news and updates. The next option is post. This is where you create your blog post. You can also manage categories and tags for your post. Media option. Here you will find all your images, videos and other media files. You can upload new images or use the existing ones in your posts and pages. The next option is page. Pages are the content like home page, about us, contact us. These pages usually don't change very often. The next option is comments. All the comments left by visitors on your blog post will appear here. You can approve, delete or reply to these comments. The next option is appearance. This is where you control the design of your website. Here you can install or change your theme, customize the layout and widgets and menu. The next option is plugin. Plugin help you add extra features to your website. For example, SEO plugin, security plugin, contact form plugin. There are thousands of free and paid plugins available. The next option is users. If you have a team or other people working on the site, you can add new users and assign them roles like administrator, editor, author, and more. The next option is tools. In the tools section, you can use options like import, export content, site health, and other advanced tools. Settings. This section is very important. Here you can control things like site title, tagline, time zone, reading settings, and permalinks or more. To summarize, the front end is your live website that your visitors see. The back end is the dashboard where you control everything. That's it. I hope this WordPress dashboard overview helps you understand how things work. Hi there, in this class I am going to show you how to install or change a theme in WordPress step by step. So first of all, what is a theme? A theme is basically the design or look of your website. It controls how your website appears to your visitors, like the colors, layout and style. The good news is WordPress has thousands of free themes you can choose from.
Before we starting the theme installation, let me first show you how the website looks right now. As you can see, this is the default look of the website using the basic WordPress theme. It looks very simple and plain. Now let's see how to install or change a theme. It's super simple. First log into your WordPress dashboard account. On the left hand side you will see an option called Appearance. Go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Here you will see the themes that are already installed on your website. If you want to change your theme to something new, just click on the Add New button on top. Once you click on Add New, you will enter the WordPress theme library. Here you can search for any theme by name or explore categories like popular, latest, or featured themes. When you find a theme, just click on Install. After installing, click Activate, and that's it. Your new theme is now live on your website. Now something you might have a theme that you downloaded from another website. In that case, just click the Upload Theme button on top. Choose the theme file from your computer. It will be a zip file. Click Install Now and then Activate. That's how you upload a theme manually. So that's it. Now you know how to install or change a theme in WordPress, either by choosing from the WordPress library or by uploading your own. Take your time, explore different themes and see what looks best for your website. Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your WordPress website step by step. So we will change the logo, title, tagline, site icon, and we will also learn how to customize the layout, colors and fonts. If you are a beginner, don't worry at all. I will explain everything in a very simple and easy way. So let's get started. First go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Appearance and then click on Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer section where you can make changes and see them live on your website. So now let's start with the site identity section. Once you click on it, you will see four main options. Site title, this is the name of your website. You can type whatever you like here. Tagline, this is a short description or slogan for your site. You can write something catchy. Logo, you can upload your own logo. Just click on select logo, upload your logo image, and that's it. Next option is site icon. This is the small icon that shows in the browser tab. Just uploaded a square image and it's appeared there. Now this section is complete. Click back to the main menu. Next we will go to the layout option. Here you can choose if you want a sidebar on the right or left side or no sidebar at all. But since we are making a blogging website, I recommended keeping the sidebar. It helps your visitor easily see posts, categories and other widgets. You will also see more layout option here, but we will leave them for later once your fully website is ready. So go back and now let's change the colors of your website. Click on the color section. Here you will see options: body background color, header color, text color, button color and other elements. Let's start with the body background color. Just choose a color that fits your brand. In the same way you can change other colors one by one, whatever you like. So now go back. Now it's time to set up your fonts, which are really important for your website look. Click on typography and here you will see two things: add font and add typography. One more thing, you can set different font sizes for desktop, tablet and mobile so your site looks good on every device. So for example, in add font we choose Roboto. In add typography we will apply to all headings and adjust the size for desktop and mobile. Just repeat the same process for body text, buttons and any other text on your website. So now let's go back and open the general section. Here you will see an option called icon type. You will get two choices, SVG and font. Just leave it on SVG. No need to change anything else here. So now go back. After this you will see options for menu and widgets, but we will cover those on the next video. Don't worry, we will go step by step. So once you will made all your changes, click the publish button at the top to save everything. Now let's go back to the dashboard, open the website and check it out. Look at that all changes we made, logo, color, fonts, layout are now visible on the live site. So that's how you can easily customize your WordPress website even if you are just starting out. In the next video, we will learn how to create pages and set a static homepage or show latest blog post on your home screen.
Hi there, in this video I will show you how to create the basic pages for the website like homepage, about page and contact page. These pages are very important whether you are making a blog or a business website. You should always have these pages. So let's get started. First go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on pages, then click on add new. Now write home in the title. Don't write anything in the content area, just leave it empty for now. Now click on publish. You might be thinking, why are we leaving it empty? Good question. Right now we are only creating the page. Later we will select the static home page and latest blog post page. So for now, just create it and leave it blank. Now go back to pages and you will see a page already there called privacy policy. Click on edit. Now scroll down and replace the default website link with your own website URL wherever it's written. After updating the link, click on update. That's it. Next, we will make the about page. Just go back and click on add new and name it about. Now we will add a nice section to tell people who you are and what your website is about. Click the plus button and choose the media and text block. On one side upload your photo, on the other side write a short paragraph about yourself, what you do and why you made this website. Below that, you can add more text to tell your story or your experience. Since I am making a personal blog, I will write about myself and my blog in simple words. When you are done, click on publish. Now let's make the contact page. Go to pages and click on add new and type contact as the title. First add a heading that says contact, then add another heading that says contact information. Below that, write your email address and location, phone number if you want to show it. Now we will leave some spaces here for a contact form. Here we will add a contact form later. I will make a separate lecture for it. Otherwise the video will become too long. So for now just leave it as it is. This way, if someone wants to send you a message directly from your website, they can do it from this page once the form is added. Now click on publish. Alright, so this was our video for today. In the next video, we will set the page we created with the name home as our main home page, and we will also set up the latest blog page. This means that whenever we publish a new blog post, it will show up on the home page. So whenever someone visit our website, they will see your latest blog posts right on the home page. I hope this video was super helpful for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.
Hi there, in this video I will show you how to create a menu and add it to your website navigation bar. It's super simple and by the end of this video, your website will look a lot more organized and professional. So let's get started. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard account. Now on the left hand side, go to appearance and click on menus. This is where we will create and manage our menu. Once you are on the menu page, you will see an option to create a new menu. Just click here and write your menu name. You can call it main menu, primary menu or anything you like. Just check the box. This tells WordPress to display your menu in the header or top navigation bar. Then click create menu. Now let's add some pages to the menu. You will see a list of pages on the left like home, about, contact and etc. Just check the boxes next to the pages you want to include and click add to menu.
Once added, you can drag and drop the items to arrange them in the order you like. You can also create drop-down menu by dragging one item slightly to the right under another, then click Save menu. That's it. Now go to your WordPress website and refresh that page. You will see your new menu in the navigation bar at the top of your site, looking clean and professional. So that's how you create a menu and add it to your navigation bar in WordPress. Hi there, in this video I will show you how to set a static home page and blog page in WordPress. This is a very important step when you are creating a blogging website because it controls what your visitors will see first when they open your website. So let's get started. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left hand side, go to settings and click on reading. Now you will see an option that says your homepage displays. By default, it shows your latest blog posts, but we want to create a custom layout where the homepage and blog page are separate. So select a static page.
When you select the static page option in WordPress, you will see two new options appear, home page and blog page. Now it's very important to understand when and how to use these two options. Let's say you are creating a portfolio, a business website or online store. In that case, you usually want to create a custom home page where you give a short overview of your services or business that the fast page visitors will see when they open your website. Along with that, you also create a separate blog page. This is where your blog post will published. Having a blog helps increase traffic to your website over time. But if you are only creating a blogging website, you don't need to select both options. In that case, just leave the home page option blank and selected home under blog page. Then we click save changes. So now whenever someone opens your website, they will directly land on your home page and that page will automatically shows your latest blog post. So this is how you can easily set up your home page and blog page in WordPress. I hope this explanation made everything clear for you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to install and use plugins in WordPress. First of all, let's quickly talk about what is plugins. Plugins are like small apps or tools that you add to your WordPress website to add extra features. For example, you can use a plugin to add a contact form, improve your SEO, speed up your site, or even create a full online store. So alright, let's now install a plugin together. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, go to plugins and then click on add new. Now here you will see a big list of free plugins you can install. There is also a search bar on the top right where you can type the name of any plugin. Let's try an example. Type contact form 7 in the search box. It's a popular plugin for adding a contact form. Once it shows up, just click on the install now button. Then after it installs, click activate. That's it. The plugin is now active on your website. Each plugin works a little differently, but most of them will either. So after activating the plugin, look around your dashboard to see where it appears. For example, after installing Contact Form 7, you will see a new menu called Contact. From there, you can create and customize your contact form easily. Only install the plugins you really need. Too many plugins can slow down your website or cause issues, and always keep your plugins updated for better performance and security. I hope this was helpful.
Hi there, in this video I will show you how to add a contact form to your website using a free plugin called Contact Form 7. It's very simple and you don't need to do any coding. Let's get started. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to the left side and click on plugins, then click on add new. Now in the search bar on the top right side, search Contact Form 7. You will see the plugin here with the blue and white icon. It's called Contact Form 7. Now in my case, I have already installed it. That's why it shows as installed. But for you, if it's not installed yet, just click on install now and then activate. Once you activate it, you will notice a new option added here in the left side called contact. As you can see on my screen, I already have it here because the plugin is active. So once you install and activate it, you will see the contact option just like this. Now let's move on and create our form. Click on the contact option from the sidebar. Now you will see a sample form already created for you. We can also create a new form by clicking on add new, but in this video we will use the default form that we get automatically after installing the plugin. Let's click on this form and take a look at what basic fields we get by default. As soon as we click, the form will open up and we can see everything inside. Below that, you will see some basic fields already added like name, email, subject and message. These fields are totally fine for a sample contact form. We don't need to change anything for now. You will see a shortcode appear at the top. This shortcode is very important. We will use it to display form on any page. So just copy this code. Now we will paste this shortcode on a page so that it shows on the website. Go to pages from the left menu and choose the page where you want to display form. Usually the contact page. Click edit and inside the content area just paste the shortcode we copied earlier. Now click update or publish. That's it. Now visit your website and open the contact page. Your form will be there and ready to use. So it's very simple. Thank you. Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to create categories and how to create a blog post with the right category. This is super useful if you want to keep your website clean and easy for visitors to navigate. So let's get started. So first of all, what are categories in WordPress? Think of categories like folders. When you write a blog post, you can put it in a folder or a category so people can find similar content easily. For example, if your website is about cooking, you might have categories like breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert. Alright, let's start by creating our categories. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to the post option and you will see a menu appear. Click on categories. Now here you can see any categories that are already created. Let's create a new one. In the name field, type the category name you want, for example plugins, and in the select field just type the same word plugins. Now scroll down and click the add new category button. Wow, your category is created. Let's create one more category like themes by repeating the same steps and create one more theme category. Now let's create a blog post and assign it to a category. Again on the left sidebar, go to the posts and click on add new. At the top, type your blog post title, something relevant. For example, I am going to use this sample title right now. After that, you will add your intro paragraph. Just write a short intro what your post is about. Now let's add an image. Click below the paragraph and you will see a little plus icon on the left. Click that and then choose the image block. Now you can upload your image and that's it, your image is added. Let's add a heading now. Click below the image and type the heading you want. Then click the block type option above and select heading. It will usually be set to heading 2 by default, but you can change it to heading 3, heading 4, etc. if needed. Now I want to add a list of plugins. Type each plugin name one by one, then select all of them with your mouse. Now go to the top option and click on the list icon, and just like that they will appear as a clean list. Now let's embed a YouTube video into the post. Just copy your video link, then click on the plus icon again, search for video or YouTube blog and select it. You will see an option to paste your link, paste it there and click OK. That's it, your video is now added to your blog post. Next, let's go to right sidebar. At the top, you will see the feature image option. Click on it and upload your nice image for your post. This will be the thumbnail on your blog. Now scroll down to the category section. Choose the category where you want to place this post like plugins or themes. Under that, you will find the tag section. Here add some related keywords like WordPress, WordPress plugins, best plugin 2025, and so and so. These tags help with SEO and search result. Now click the publish button and your post is live. Let's visit the blog and take a look. Yes, our post is published and everything looks great. So that's how you can easily create categories and publish blog posts in the WordPress with headings, paragraphs, images and videos and tags. In the next video, I will show you how to customize the sidebar and footer widget. Thanks. Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to use widgets in WordPress, especially how you can customize your sidebar and footer areas using the theme customizer. It's super simple and I will explain everything step by step even if you are a complete beginner. So let's get started. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to appearance and click on customize. This will open the theme customizer, and here the best thing is you can see live changes on your site while you are editing. Now look for the option called widgets. Go ahead and click on it. Here you will see different areas where widgets can be added. Usually it says things like sidebar, footer 1, 2 depending on your theme. So let's start with this sidebar. Click on sidebar and here you can add, remove or edit widgets. So first I am going to remove all the default widgets from the sidebar. You just need to click on the widget you want to remove, scroll down and you will see a delete option. Click on that and the widget will be removed. I will go ahead and remove all the widgets one by one on the same way. Now as you can see, the sidebar on the right is completely empty. Now let's add some new widgets of our choice. To add a widget, just click on the plus icon. Then you can search for the widget you want to add. For example, if I want to add a search bar, I will type search in the bar and here we go, this search widget shows up. Click on it and it will be added on the sidebar. Now I will also edit the categories and latest blog posts the same way. Just search for them and click to add. Great, so our sidebar now has the widget we want. Once you are done, don't forget to click on the publish button at the top to save your changes. Then refresh your website and check, you will see all your sidebar changes live. Now let's move on to customize the footer. Click the back button and here you will see options like footer 1, footer 2 and footer 3. Let's customize each one carefully. Don't add too many widgets in one footer area. Otherwise the layout might look messy. Let's start with footer 1. Here I will add my logo. Click on the plus icon, search for the image widget and select it. Now upload your logo image and boom, it's added. Now go back and open footer 2. In this one we will add pages. Click on plus icon, search for pages and select it. Done. Now let's open the footer 3 and add your social icons. Again click the plus icon, search social and add the social icon widget. Inside it you can click and search for the social icons you want like YouTube and add your link there. Click again to add more icons like Facebook, Instagram and more. Now if you scroll down a bit you will see a small pen icon. Click on it and you can add more content like a paragraph. So I will go ahead and add a simple paragraph here. Once you are happy with the everything, click on publish again. Now refresh your site and as you can see both the sidebar and footer have been customized perfectly. Hi there, today we are going to talk about how to manage comments on your website and how to avoid spam. Let's make your site look clean and professional. So let's get started. So first of all, what are comments? When someone visits to your blog post and want to say something like ask a question or share feedback, they use the comment section. It's a great way to connect with your audience. But sometimes people or bots post spammy or unrelated comments. That's why we want to avoid. To manage your comments, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, you will see a tab called comments. Click on that. Here you will see all comments people have left. Some may be approved, some pending, and some marked as spam. You can approve, reply, delete, or mark them as spam from here. So now we are set up some basic comment settings. Go to settings and click on discussion. Here you can control who can comment, whether a comment needs approval before showing up and more. Make sure to tick the box that says comment must be manually approved. That's why nothing gets posted without your permission. Now let's talk about spam. The best way to deal with spam is by using a free plugin. The most popular one is called Akismet Anti-Spam. You can find it by going to Plugins, Add New and search for Akismet. Install it, activate it and follow these simple steps. It will automatically filter out spammy comments for you. Once you activate the Akismet plugin, click on choose a plan. Here we will select the free plan and yes, the free plan works perfectly. Now choose personal plan which is completely free. You will see a price of $39. Just drag it all the way down to $0. Next, check all the boxes and click continue. Now you will need to enter your email address, country and zip code. Then click on continue to payment. Don't worry, it will not charge you. After that, click on complete payout. Once done, you will get your API key. Copy that API key, go back to your WordPress dashboard and choose manually enter an API key. Paste your API key there and click connect API key. For best performance, make sure to select all these options available in the settings, then click save changes. Now you are all set. This plugin helps you stay tension free. It automatically detects and blocks spam comments. If you want to turn off comments on a specific post or page, the process is same. Just open any post or page. For example, I will open the about page, go to the discussion section. If the box is unchecked or says comments disabled, it means comments are turned off. If you want to turn them on, simply check the box or select open or allow comments and that's it. You are now ready to manage your WordPress comments like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Thanks. Hi there, in this video I will show you how to add and manage users in WordPress and I will also explain the different user rules, what they mean and when to use them. If you are running a blog, a team site or even a WooCommerce store, understanding users and their rules is super important. So let's get started. So what are users? Users are people who have access to your WordPress site. They can log in with their own username and password and depending on the rule you assign them, they will have different levels of control. So if you are working with a team or giving access to someone like a writer, editor or developer, this is how you manage it. Let me show you how to add a new user. Just log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left hand side, click on users and then click on add new. You will see a form. Fill out the basic details like username, email address, first and last name, website and strong password. They choose a user rule from the drop down and I will explain those rules in a minute. Finally, check the box to send the user an email about their account and hit add new user. That's it. Now if you ever want to manage users, just go back to the users tab. There you will see a list of all users on your site. You can edit their profile, change their rule or even delete them if needed. It's so simple. Okay, now this part is super important. Let's talk about user rules in WordPress. Each rule gives the user a certain level of access. Here are the main ones. Administrator. This is the boss, full control of the website. Only give this to someone you fully trust. Editor can manage and publish any post or pages, including posts by other users. Author can write, edit, and publish their own post but not others' content. Contributor can write and edit their own post but cannot publish them. An admin or editor has to approve. Subscriber, very basic, can only manage their profile, usually used for membership or simple access. So when adding users, always choose the rule based on what they need to do. Don't give admin access to everyone. And that's it. Now you know how to add users, manage them, and what all those rules mean in WordPress. See you in the next lesson where we will cover another awesome WordPress feature. Thanks. Hi there, today I am going to walk you through some important basic settings like your site title, homepage settings and URL structure. Don't worry, we will go step by step. So let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, look on the left hand menu, go to the settings, then click on general. Here you will see some basic info about your site. On the top you will see site title. This is the name of your website. You can call it anything like tech blog or my travel journey. Tagline. This is a short description that shows up next to your title. Something like just another WordPress site. You can change that to something better. WordPress address URL and site address URL. These are usually the same. Just make sure they both have HTTPS if your site has an SSL certificate. Admin email address. This is where you will get notification about your site. Make sure it's correct. Membership. If you want people to register on your site, check this box. New user default rule. Usually this set to subscriber. You can leave it as it is. Set your time zone, date format and time format based on your location and what you prefer. Once done, click Save Changes at the bottom. Now let's go to Reading Settings. Back on the left menu, under Settings, click on Reading. Here is what you will see. Your homepage displays. This controls what shows up on your homepage. If you want a blog style site, keep it on your latest post. If you made a custom homepage, you can select a static page, then choose your homepage and blog page from the drop down. This sets how many posts are shown on page. You can keep it 10 or change it based on your needs. Search engine visibility. If you don't want Google to index your site yet, maybe because it's under construction, you can tick this box, but remember to uncheck it when your site is live. Click Save Changes when you are done. Now let's talk about permalinks. These are super important for SEO and user-friendly URLs. Again, go to Settings and click on Permalinks. Instead, select Post Name. This gives you clean URLs like yoursite.com/myfastpost. Much better, right? If you are building custom structure later, you can explore other options, but for most beginners, post name is perfect. Once again, don't forget to save changes, and that's it. We just covered three important parts of WordPress settings: general settings, reading settings, and permalink settings. These might seem small, but they make a big difference in how your website looks, behaves, and ranks on search engines. If you found this video helpful, please share this video. Thanks. Hi there, in this video we are going to talk about something very important: how to set up basic security for your WordPress website. So don't worry, I will explain everything step by step. So let's get started. First thing you should always do is keep your WordPress updated. Whenever WordPress releases a new update, it usually fixes bugs and security issues. So always update your WordPress core, your themes, and your plugin. Next, your login detail. Please never use admin as your username. I repeat that, never use admin as your username. It is the first thing hackers will try. Use a unique username and a strong password. If you have already set up your site using admin, you can create a new user with a different name and delete the old one. Now let's add free security plugin to help you protect your site automatically. A great plugin for beginners is WordFans. Just go to the plugins, add new, search for WordFans, install it and activate it. It will help block suspicious activity and send you alerts if something goes wrong. Once you activate WordFans, you don't need to change any settings. Just install and activate, and it will start working perfectly right away. So as a beginner, that's enough. No need to worry about advanced settings. Another best plugin for website security is Limit Login Attempts. This stops hackers from trying a random password again and again. Go to the plugin, click on Add New, search Limit Login Attempts and see this plugin. Just install it, activate it, and it will work right away with default settings. So by default, your login page is something like your WordPress website.com/wp-admin. Hacker know that too, so you can change it using a plugin like WPS Hide Login. This way you can choose a custom login link that only you know. Go to plugins, click on add new, and in the search bar type WPS hide login. Install it and then activate it. After activation, take your mouse over the settings and now you will see a new option called WPS hide login. Just click on it. Now scroll down and you will see your website URL followed by the word login. By default, WordPress uses WP admin, and guess what? Every hacker knows that. So whenever a hacker type your website URL and add slash WP admin, they can reach your login page easily. But we don't even want them to get that far. So simply delete the word login and type something unique, like I will type Chan just as an example. Now click Save Changes. Let me show you how this works. If I try visit yourwebsite.com slash wp-admin or yourwebsite.com slash login, it was not open the login screen anymore. But if I type yourwebsite.com slash chan, this login screen will open. That's how easily you can hide your login page and protect your site from hackers. Just follow these steps and you are making your website much safer with very little effort. Alright, so that's your basic WordPress security setup. These steps are simple but powerful and they will protect your website from most common attacks. Let's move on the next lesson and make your website even better. Thanks. Hi there, today we are going to talk about something super important, how to backup your WordPress website for free. I know the word backup might sound a little technical or scary, but don't worry, I will keep it simple. So let's get started. So first of all, let's understand why you need a backup. Imagine you spent hours designing your website, adding blog posts, maybe even setting up online store, and then Monday something goes wrong. Maybe your site gets hacked or a plugin crashes everything. Without a backup, you could lose all your hard work. So backing up is just like saving a copy of your website. So install a free backup plugin. The easiest way to backup your WordPress website is using a plugin. So let's go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to the plugins and click on add new. In the search bar, type Updraft Plus. This is one of the most popular free backup plugin. Once you find it, click install now, then activate. That's it. The plugin is now activated. Now let's set it up. After activating, you will see an extra option in sidebar Updraft Plus. Just click here. Here you will see the main dashboard of the plugin. Click on the big blue button that says backup now. It will ask you if you want to include your database and files. Just leave both boxes checked and click backup now again. Your backup is now being created. Once your backup is ready, you can manually download each file one by one and keep them saved with you. For example, if I click on database section, you will see a download option at the top. Just click on it and download will start. In the same way, click on plugins and you will see download option again at the top. Click it and it will download too. Do this for all the sections one by one and save all the backup files in a folder or your computer or drive. Now let's say by chance your website crashes or something goes wrong. No worries, you can restore your website using the backup. It's very easy. Just install the Updraft Plus plugin again and open its dashboard. Here you will see the upload backup option. Click on it and upload your saved backup files. Once they are uploaded, they will appear here just like you see now. After that, click on restore. A few options will pop up. Just check all of them and click next. Click next again. Now you will see that your website is being restored and within a few seconds your website will be just like it was before. So now our backup is complete and we were back up on the dashboard. This way you can easily backup your website and restore it anytime using your saved files. Now you might be thinking, if I restore the backup, will it create duplicate files? No, it will not. The plugin automatically removes the old files and does not create any duplicate files. I hope everything is clear now. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to set up basic SEO using a free plugin called Rank Math SEO. If you are a complete beginner and you don't know much about SEO, don't worry, this video is just for you. So let's get started. So why Rank Math SEO? First of all, let me tell you, Rank Math SEO is one of the best SEO plugin for WordPress. It's super beginner friendly and really helpful if you want your website rank better on Google. With this plugin, you can improve your SEO easily and even get your website indexed by Google. Now, how to get your website indexed? This part we will cover in the next video. But today we will see how to improve your SEO with Rank Math plugin. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, add new. In the search bar, type Rank Math SEO. Once you see it, click install and then activate. That's it. The plugin is now live on your website. After installing Rank Math, you will see the Rank Math option in the WordPress sidebar. Click on it. Here you will be asked to connect with your Gmail account. You can easily do this by clicking the connect button, but for now I will skip this step. Next, select easy mode and click start wizard. Now you need to fill in some basic details about your website. At the top, choose your website type, blogging, portfolio, business or store. We will select blogging here. Then enter your website name, alternative website name and company name. After that, upload your website logo and click save and continue. It may ask again to connect your account. I will skip this again for now. In the final step, just click return to dashboard. Now listen, if you are a complete beginner, you don't need to change anything in these settings. The default settings are already beginner friendly and safe to use. So for now, just leave it as it is. Now let's see how Rank Math SEO helps you with publishing a post. Go to the post option and click on add new post. Once you are in the editor, you will notice something at the top or side. It shows score out of 100. Right now it might say 0 out of 100. As you start adding your post title, meta description, headings, images and alt text, you will see the score start going up. For example, when I add a title, it goes from 0 to 3. Then after I add description and a heading, the score improves even more. To get the best SEO, try to make sure your post score is at least 70 or above before publishing. And that's it for today's video. So we learned how to install Rank Math SEO and how to use to improve your blog post SEO step by step. This plugin is really great for beginners who are just starting with SEO. In the next video, we learn how to connect your website with Google Search Console using Rank Math so your website can be indexed and start appearing in Google search result. See you in the next one. Thanks. Hi there, in this video I will show you how to connect your website to Google Search Console and how to add your sitemap using Rank Math SEO plugin. It's super easy and don't worry, I will guide you step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type search.google.com. When the page opens, you will see a Start Now button, just click on it. Now you will see two options for adding your website, domain and URL prefix. Let me explain this in simple words. If you are adding a subdomain like blog.example.com, use the domain option. But if you are adding your main website, just go for URL prefix. Now open your WordPress dashboard, copy your website link, come back to Search Console, paste the link and click continue. Once you do that, you will see 4 different methods to verify your website. The easiest method for beginners is the HTML tag. Click on HTML tag and you will get a code. Copy that code. Now go back to your WordPress website dashboard. From the left menu, go to plugins, add new and search for inserts, header and footer. Install and activate that plugin. I already have it installed, so I will move the next step. After activating the plugin, go to settings and click on insert headers and footers. Now you will see 3 boxes, header, body and footer. Now just paste the HTML code inside the header box and click save. Now go back to Search Console and click on verify. That's it. Your website is now successfully connected to Google Search Console. Now we will add the sitemap so Google can start indexing your site. On the left side in Search Console, click on the menu, then click on Sitemaps. But wait, where do we get this sitemap link? Let's go back to your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, you will see the rank math option. We covered how to install rank math in our previous video. Now go to rank math option and click on dashboard. Now scroll down and click on sitemap settings. Here you will see your sitemap URL. Just copy it, come back to search console, paste this sitemap link and hit submit. Boom, your sitemap is now successfully submitted to Google. That's it. Now your website is connected to Google Search Console and your sitemap is added. Google will start indexing your pages, posts and categories step by step. Thanks and see you in the next lesson.
Hi there, in this video we are going to talk about the tools option in WordPress. Now let me be honest with you, if you are just starting out with WordPress, you don't need to worry about this tools option at all. Even many advanced users hardly ever use it. Let me quickly explain what you will find inside the tools section. Available tools. This section is mostly empty and it's not useful for beginners. You can skip this completely. Import. This is used if you want to bring content from another platform like Blogger or WordPress.com, but if you are starting fresh, you don't need this. Export. This helps you download your website content. It's only useful if you are moving your site or making a backup. Again, not needed right now. Site health. This shows the health of your website. It gives you tips like installing updates or adding security plugins. It's helpful but not something you need to check daily. Export personal data. If a visitor requests their data from your website, you can download and send it from here. But this is usually for big websites. Erase personal data. This deletes personal data from your site when someone requested. Again, only used in special cases like GDPR rules. Scheduled actions. This is a technical section that shows background tasks your site is doing. Beginners should not touch this at all. Just ignore it. If you are a complete beginner, you can completely skip the tools section for now. There is nothing important here for you at this stage. Even expert users don't come here often, only when they really need something. So don't waste your time here. Instead, focus on creating pages, posts, and designing your website.